bet this looks weird. Feels like it would look weird. Whew. Not sure that was a good idea. Hey, my name is Tanner. Welcome to Tech Hound. And on today's episode, you're going to watch me complete the sticker desk. I don't know what inspired me to do this, but you're going to watch me do it. By golly. Lots of gratuitous time lapse throughout. And yeah, I've also got a 2D version to the same video. So you can watch that if you're interested in seeing like the stop motion that you can actually watch me shoot in this video. There's some little Easter eggs and stuff in this version, so like get a little bonus for watching it in 360 if anyone's even watching this. So yeah, hope you like it. It was a lot of work. It was probably I don't even want to know how many hours. Double digits for sure, like probably in the 30 to 40 hour range.
I can motivate myself to shit.
Hey guys, this is Tanner from Tech Hound. I am in the process of editing this video right now, and I've come to a conundrum where basically in the middle I took some video and I was playing a record in the background, and because the record was playing, it's all going to get claimed. So I'm new to all this and I have no idea how this works, but I had the idea I'm going to split that off into its own video because I like that footage. You get to see me in real time putting stickers on the wall, and I am very, very slow, spoiler alert. But if I put that in one video, it's just going to get claimed, and I'm trying to start out here, and yeah, Spectre, it is me. So yeah, I'm splitting this into two videos basically. Right now, you are watching the monetized version that cuts out most of the live video. I just want you to know if you're watching one, that the other one exists, as they're kind of the same thing. I had to trim stuff out so that my whole video didn't get monetized, but I wanted to put it all into one thing, but we're doing it this way, it's easier. So, just wanted you to know to check out the other one if you're at all interested. And also, if you're yes, that is me. If you're watching this version, please subscribe, as that kind of offsets the fact that those numbers apparently mean nothing. I don't know. I'm new to this. I don't know how it all works. But yes, if you want to check out the other one, just know they exist. Yeah. And now the air is running. Let me go take care of that. I'll be right back.
So Sarah Jones, I got a little story I think you should know. like you. Because it's here today and gone tomorrow. Still, the world goes on the same.
You. Hey, little jerk. No. Need some water. Some iced tea. Well, I'm gonna keep going in time lapse mode. It's just too much work to keep doing all the cameras. But yeah, we'll just get into that. I still don't know what this video really is yet, but in case I don't have a purpose, check out my other videos. I work here. This is my office. I fix computers for people, help people with technology, and I'm starting making YouTube videos about that. And I decided to stick up on my desk. So if any of that sounded mildly interesting, check out my channel. But yeah, I gotta get moving because this is exhausting. It takes forever. I gotta get home. So yeah, check that out. Check it out. Try it out. Try it out. Whew. I'm calling it tonight. That's pretty mentally taxing, but definitely worth it. I like how it turned out so far. Oh, I like it a lot. But yeah, I'll pick this up maybe tomorrow. Just depends when I get back into the office. It's Friday today, so might come in this weekend and finish up. Oh, I really like how that turned out. Oh, Gracie. Oh, Gracie. Oh, yeah. Whew. Yeah. I'll pick this up. Or maybe this is the end of the video. Depends on if I keep filming or not. It's a lot of work to film and do this, so, but yeah. Good night.